Hi, my name's Ian. I'm Product Director here at ZeroLight, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the OmniStream plugin into your Unity project, upload a build, and then how to access a stream. The project I'm working with today is a standard Unity third-person sample project, but everything I'm going to show you is relevant to any Unity project. We support from Unity 2021 onwards. For this demo, I'm using the latest LTS release, which is 2022.3. And the first thing I need to do is install the plugin, and I'm going to do that through the package manager. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the package manager. And I'm going to install the package from a Git URL. So I'm going to go over to the OmniStream Unity package GitHub repo, and I'm going to click and copy the URL, and then go back to Unity, click Add Package from Git URL, paste in the URL, and click Add, and that'll go ahead and add the package for us. And now we can see the package has been added to the package manager here. So I'm going to go ahead and close the package manager, and you can now we have the ZeroLight menu added to up here, and we can click Add OmniStream to Scene. I'll go ahead and save my scene. And for a basic OmniStream integration, that's all we need to do. It's worth noting that you want to add this to your main scene. If you have any scenes that do loading, you don't want to put it in those, because as soon as this game object becomes active, that's when we detect the project is ready to connect a user to the stream. So on the right here, we have some advanced features that we're not going to go into today, where you can listen to events such as on connect and on disconnect, and also receiving data from the web page if you're doing a more advanced integration. These can be useful for things like displaying a welcome message or playing an FMV when a user connects. But for my project, I don't need any of those things today. The last thing I am going to do today, before I do my upload, is I'm going to go into settings, and then I'm going to tick on restart on disconnect. This option means that when a user disconnects, the project will be restarted from scratch, which means that the next user connecting will start from a totally fresh boot of the project, which is what I want for my project. It doesn't make sense for all projects, but for a lot of things, that's what makes the most sense. So now I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click Build and Upload to OmniStream. Because this is the first time that I'm doing a build, I need to tell it which project it is I'm uploading, and it's my Unity project, so I'm going to click that. And that's then saved, and so next time I run the project, I won't have to do that. And I click Build and Deploy to OmniStream. Select my build folder, click Yes to save, and now it's going to do a standard Unity build. And once it's done that, we'll see the upload progress appear here. So it was a quick build, and so the upload progress will appear here any second. There we go, we can see that's uploading now. It's a small project, so it's going to be pretty quick. There we go, that's done already. The first time you upload a build, it goes through a manual approval process, and then after this, new builds can be set to deploy automatically. For this demo, we've already done that approval process, so now I'm ready to just go to my browser and connect my stream. And here we go. Here's our third-person Unity project streaming through OmniStream, and that's deploying your first Unity application onto OmniStream. Thank you very much.